The chuck adjusts open and close to securely hold a drill bit, allowing you to use a variety of different sizes. There are 3 jaws in the chuck that clamp against the drill bit. After years of hard use, these jaws will wear and your drill bit might begin to slip in the chuck. Sometimes a jaw inside the chuck can be broken off. Replacing the chuck is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the chuck. First, I'll remove the retaining screw. It's a reverse thread, so I'll turn it clockwise to remove it. With the retaining screw removed, now I can remove the chuck. To do that, I'll take a large Allen wrench and chuck it inside the chuck. I'll rotate the Allen wrench around so it's sitting just a little above level. Then I'll use a rubber mallet to quickly strike the Allen wrench, and the quick momentum will break the chuck free from the thread. Now I can install the new chuck. I'll thread the chuck onto the spindle, and I'll place the Allen wrench back into it. I'll give the Allen wrench a tap just to make sure the chuck is tight. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the chuck retaining screw. Place it into the chuck and tighten it. And remember, it's reverse thread, so I'll tighten it counterclockwise. And now you can install a new chuck on your drill. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.